What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram invalid parameters error. First thing you need to do is to check if your Instagram is running in the latest version. Open your App Store and search Instagram and see if it needs an update or not. Now try to clear the cache of Instagram. Go over to your settings and then tap on General. Tap iPhone storage. Then in here, look for the Instagram app, then open it. Next, tap the offload app to confirm. After doing that, reinstall the app and wait for it to finish downloading. Relaunch the app, then it should be able to fix the error. And now you can use the Instagram smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.